Minecraft add-ons, what are they? So, Minecraft add-ons are the equivalent of Java's mods. Java edition of Minecraft has had mods for a very long time. They've been able to use CurseForge and certain things like that to install and download mods and use them. So, mods are essentially just things that are extra additives, usually added by the community, and you can use them to enhance your vanilla experience. And the Minecraft Bedrock version of that didn't really have mods for a very long time, so Mojang implemented something called add-ons for Minecraft Bedrock. So, I'm going to show you what these add-ons are. So if you have Minecraft Bedrock open, like I have, you want to head on over to the marketplace, and you can see that, there you go, right there. Got different add-ons right here. A lot of these add-ons are usually paid, so you're going to have to pay money for these. If you want to use the really good ones like Sparks Pets add-on and different furniture mods, farming add-ons. So you can see here a whole bunch of food options, ice creams and apples and grapes and a lot of good cool stuff. Furniture mods, these are really cool, real popular. I'm sure there's a lot of free add-ons too. If you head on over to the search here, click on the filter, select add-ons and free. See that a bunch of free add-ons do show up. So these won't be as good as the paid ones, obviously, but you can see that these are free add-ons you can install to enhance your Minecraft experience. Gravestone, here's a good one. So in case you die, you will your items will not go all over the place. They'll be saved in a gravestone that you can break and then get your stuff back. That's a very cool one. There's the Minecraft 15-year party add-on. That's by Minecraft themselves. So that's pretty cool. There's the More TNT add-on. Looks like that's free. That's also pretty nice. You can purchase these. First, you'll have to download them. Obviously, that one's free, so I don't actually have to pay anything. And then you just want to click download, and then download. So you'll see now that's downloaded. So let's say I want to enable these. You want to enable your Minecraft add-ons. You want to play with your mods. So you want to select play, create a new world. We'll go with creative. Go on over to resource packs, and you'll see an owned option. So you just want to enable any of these. I'm going to enable the furniture, the TNT, and the Sparks pack, all of those, and they'll show up in behavior packs. As you can see, all of these. You can arrange the order. I'm just going to leave it as is. Doesn't really matter. You can remove them as you will if you want that. But we're just going to create. We're going to click create, make our world, and I'll show you that the add-ons have truly worked. They're in. It should spawn with a couple books here. See that you come with a couple books. You want to click on the ground if you want to interact. Let's say we'll close out this book, right? Let's say right there. Okay. So the book drops. Okay, interesting. So you just want to right click. You'll see that you can flip through different furniture. This is the furniture mod that I'm going through. So we've got awnings, benches, all kinds of cool stuff, right? And then there's the more TNT. That's just a book. 18 new types of TNT. That's pretty impressive. So we're gonna look at these. I'm gonna show you that these are indeed working. As you can see already here, that's a little doggy. That's the more pets. Sparks more pets. So if I go to like dog, I think one of the pets was a Malamute. Yeah, there you go, a Malamute. Just like so. As you can see that it is working. I think this it has its own book, and there's Malamute, Shiba, the Siamese cat, guinea pig, hedgehog, chameleon. Some of these aren't available for the. I'm using the free version of the Sparks Pet mod, so some of these like the T-Rex are not available. You can see you can make collars for taming, different treats, outfits for your pet. So yeah, you have the Spark universe. Pretty cool. Let's close these up, and we'll look up furniture. Let's see if there's a bench for us. Yeah, different color. A cherry bench. Look at that. It's gonna have a little bench. You can even sit down on it. You can see it's pretty cool. It has its own animation. It's sick. You can break it. Okay, it's like a boat. It's nice. I haven't really used these add-ons before. This is my first time just kind of showing this to you guys. So that would be Minecraft add-ons for you. They're really nifty, cool looking things that add on to your vanilla experience. Unfortunately, many of them are paid. You'll have to pay for the add-on if you really want to use them. But that has been Minecraft Add-Ons. I hope you have learned something today. I hope if you were looking for a tutorial on add-ons, this has kind of helped you out, and you understand what add-ons are. And I will catch you guys at a different time.